What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Anthony Tackett, and today we're going to be talking about a tool bag and a pair of gloves, so stick around. So a company by the name of Jackson Palmer reached out to see if they could send me one of their large tool bags to try out. Now they said it was a no strings attached kind of thing, didn't have to do a review video or anything. They just wanted to get this new product into the hands of some makers online. So I was happy to give it a shot, and I've actually been using it and I really enjoy it. So I wanted to share the bag with you, and I'm going to show you that, but also show you a couple pairs of gloves that were sent. And this sounds like it's a big promotional thing, but it's really not. I've got a couple of products that I want to share that I've really been enjoying and have really been using lately, and they just all happen to be in that bag. So I'm going to pull the bag up here on the table. I've got the GoPro, and we'll kind of go handheld and go through the bag together and talk about its features. So let's get that going. Okay. So again, this is a bag by a company named Jackson Palmer. It's big. You can see here on the table that it's pretty large. It has a lot of different pouches and pockets and hooks and all sorts of things. And I've got it loaded up right now. So I'm just going to empty it all really quickly so you can see all the stuff that I was able to fit in this bag. And then we'll just talk about the bag and some of the products that I have in here. Okay, so the first thing is my apron. I have a tape measure, one pair of gloves that I'm going to talk about here in just a moment. I'll go ahead and pull this GoPro around so you can see here as I take stuff out. So I've got a couple of files here that I use for some metal work. And then I've got a bunch of loose screws in here. What else? Do I have anything else in here? Nothing there. I've got a Weller soldering iron and some rosin core solder that's super old from Radio Shack. Some rotary tool accessories. Small level. This is the Tool Shop rotary tool that I reviewed. This is a DeWalt bit set. Extra batteries. 2 pencils. A stud finder, Stanley stud finder. Craig multi-mark. Some jigsaw bits, some Bosch jigsaw blades. Oh, screwdriver. Porter cable impact driver, a Bosch 12-volt drill, some miscellaneous bits and things. These are gloves, so let's go ahead and talk about them. Put the GoPro down for a quick sec. Another company reached out, Firm Grip. They have some gloves that they sell at Home Depot, and they sent me two. They sent me the Gel Pro Grip working glove, and also the Trade Master. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me wear these most recently. But let's pick up the GoPro again. So the Trade Master gloves are really nice. They got the padded knuckle here. They have I think it's called a duck canvas, a really nice protective palm. These just hold up really well. They're a little more puncture resistant than the gel gloves here. But overall, just a very durable glove. They have this touchscreen fingertip on them. They've got these little tabs for pulling them on. Really good grip here. Overall, just, quality gloves, good work gloves. These gloves have like a silicone grip on them that really help you hold on to stuff. So, like, I'm thinking pulling wire, anything where you might want a little bit of a better hold on your material. These gloves are fantastic for that. Super comfortable gloves. I would say that these flex a little bit more than the Trade Master. So if you're looking for something that's really comfortable, I could see somebody maybe riding a motorcycle or somebody on a bicycle that would really enjoy these as well. But let's get back to that bag. This thing is massive. It's loaded with pockets and compartments, and the canvas, it's a very high quality product. The stitching is very nice. Again, pockets absolutely everywhere. Little clips to hang things from, loops to hang things from. Velcro pouches. Places for screwdrivers. There are 3 main pockets. There's one in the middle and then 2 on the outside, and the pockets have pockets in them. This is where I kept the stud finder. Something you want to protect a little bit more could go here. These are these are elastic loops that you can put tools in. On the side, more pockets, little hoops on the side for hanging tape or whatever. Pockets and pockets. Zipper pouch here on the front that's very generous. Again, quality materials here. This is a metal clip for your tape measure, so that just kind of clips on here. Again, another pocket. This side pocket has the elastic loops on the outside, and the inside pocket has, there's another bit. The inside pocket has a couple of these bigger canvas size pockets, and this is pretty deep. Now, if this bag stopped here, I would still be pretty happy with it because of all of the compartments and things that are in it. But the top has a really nice padded handle that makes carrying it really comfortable, and this padded shoulder strap that, again, is super comfortable. So this has been my go-to. If I need to move tools around, even from going from the basement to my garage upstairs where I do a lot of my work on my cars, this has been great. And then one other thing that maybe makes this a viable tool bag for those of you who do a lot of 3D printing is, where's it at? Here it is on this side here. This guy opens up, and inside of it is this plastic bin, this parts bin that has a bunch of these little containers that you could put screws, or I was thinking, if you have nozzles or different accessories, those little PTFE fittings, all those little pieces that we hang on to as 3D printing enthusiasts could really go in these little bins and get stored underneath. You could put your pliers, all of the tools that you might want for your 3D printer could go in here feasibly and tuck away pretty nicely. I have several toolboxes that I used prior to receiving this bag. I'd never had a tool bag before, so I know a lot of you probably have, and you might prefer these. You know the benefits of having a bag. This might not be anything that's super unique to Jackson Palmer, but for me, man, it was revolutionary. If you carry a metal toolbox around, a small one, I've got one that was my grandfather's, it's great. It's super durable, but to get to a tool that's on the bottom, you kind of have to shuffle through the others, and everything is about time for me, and it just slows you down. So having this bag set up here with all of these pockets and all of these compartments, a place for everything, is fantastic. And it's nice to be able just to grab it and go, load it up with tools you need for a specific job, and just take off and be able to transport those really conveniently and comfortably. That's it. This video is probably a lot more of me rambling than anything, but the Jackson Palmer tool bag, again, they did not ask for a review, but I wanted to do it anyway because I've been using the heck out of this bag. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check out the bag on Amazon for yourself. They do have a smaller model available, and I'll also, again, link to these firm grip gloves in the description as well. That's it. If you guys like these random review videos, let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button. That also lets me know that you're interested in this type of stuff. The little notification bell next to the subscribe button, if you want to hit that as well, you'll stay up to date on all my latest content. That's it. Hope you guys have a great day. See you later.